Now to work with this hair tie, make sure it's nice and damp. Okay, so what I've done, I've just sprayed the hair with some water again to make sure the hair's okay. So what we're doing today, remember we said, is the arches. So you see how that has formed. Okay, so you can see how much work we put here. You can see the arches forming, and if you look underneath them, you see where the space is that reminds you where to put your next section. Just carries on like that. Carries on like that. And so this is the final strand. Now because it's quite close to halfway, so I'm going to let that drop here.